I went ahead and added some clear, and it worked out really good. It looks a lot better, a lot shinier. Finished product. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Welcome back to the channel. You are on Turbo Josh. I am Josh. Hope you're having a good afternoon. I'm getting into finally spray painting this sway bar. It was this color. It will eventually be the same chameleon as everything else. I sanded these down and grinded the base bolts, but not too much because it'll be covered anyway, but these are getting done. I'm taping the chrome, so this is going to stand out a little bit. And ultimately it's going to look like this, but I'm not going to put the clear on this time, so it will stand out a little differently. And I'm going to go ahead and flat base it and take some more recordings. Let's get these things painted up. And the hinges as well. The hinges have already been sandblasted, courtesy of Emerald Coast Motorsports. And we're going to Camille these too. For reference on the sanding, I just got done finishing off the rest of the blue. This is done in 400 grit sandpaper, in case you want to know what I'm using. It eats through the paint really quick, and I'm not going to use multi-stages. So we're going to sand it at 400, clean it off with a pressure washer, and start spraying the Camille and the primer first, obviously. Alright, got them washed off, and now we'll air blow dry them with the blower that's back there, and we'll start with the paint. Got the ends taped up so the chrome don't get sprayed over, and just wait for light little gusts of wind and we'll go ahead and spray it. Keep in mind, this doesn't have to be perfect, guys. I just want it to look better than it did. And we also want it to match. Should be wet enough. In most cases, if you have exposed metal, you should be using etching. It's like a spray that goes onto the metal that helps the paint stick, but I don't care. It's just this sway bar, guys. I got a little bit more to lay to get in the cracks and crevices, but full primer. We'll go ahead and lay the Canola Coat here in a second. You get a good look at these hinges before they get done, and these things are going to pop so good for rattle can. Chameleon. know if I'm going to clear it yet. I haven't decided. But if I don't clear it, I won't put it in the video. Hope you think it looks good. I went ahead and added some clear, and it worked out really good. It looks a lot better. A lot shinier. It's a finished product. I'll go ahead and put it all on here in a minute, and you'll end up seeing what it looks like. And she is ready to touch now. Look at that. And this is a finished product. This has clear on it, but not the glitter clear effects clear coat that I put on the engine bay. I just put clear on this because I wanted it to pop a little differently. And already put the mounts up here. You can see it's a little different because this is done with clear effects clear coat with the glitter in it. This is just clear coat with the chameleon. But you know, that's finished product. You'll get to see it eventually when it gets put back on, but for now, that is officially your school time with Turbo Josh on Rattle Can Spray Paint. I will leave other videos for my valve cover. I cleaned and prepped the valve cover and did it the same way. That's all on video. I'll put that up as well. Make sure you click on the video here or here in a minute, and the subscribe button, please. It really helps out, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching Turbo Josh.
You ready for this? You ready to take control?